Well done.
Beep boop bop, it's Becca, and welcome back to Baking with Becca. Today we're doing a vlog style video because it is Gingerbread Day! We're going to make a barn, and it's going to be very exciting. So right now, Tess is using her, I want to say agriculture skills, architecture skills, and we're cutting out our stencils.
I'm a farmer.
And we're going to start to roll out the
What is
dough.
agriculture?
And
We're
then
making a barn.
yes, but you're not using. You have agriculture skills, yeah.
Yeah, I used to be a farmer.
Yeah. So we're ready on all fronts for this one. And here we go. Okay, so we have our first piece ready to go in the oven. We have to make sure it's really flat though. It's sticking up, Tess. We need to make sure it's flatter. And now I'm rolling out more, and then we're gonna cut out some more with our sides. Okay, here are our first cookies that are done. This will be the front. These are two of the sides, and I have to take out these from the oven. They're probably ready. We have not been timing anything. I think 1 more minute for these, and then we'll put the last one in.
Don't look.
And and Tess is working on the animals. So, come on, Tess, show them. Here's the cow, and the pig, and whatever the hell that is. Hello, so we cut out all of our cookies for the structure of the house. Now we have to cut out our animals, and we have our doors, and we'll add windows and any other extra things like that. And we're also gonna start making the icing so we can decorate the structure. And we're going to decorate the structure first and then put it all together. Okay, so we are doing the side walls of the barn. We were gonna line them all the way up with Twizzlers, then we decided that that looked not good because this looked like a Twizzler house, but this is a barn, it's very professional. So we are doing the edges with Twizzlers with our red icing in the middle, and one
Diagonal.
crisscross, yeah, diagonal.
Cross bracing.
So this is our sides, and then we're going to do similar vibe for the front and back, I think. And then the roof, we will work on something different. All right, now we have our front or back, whichever one we decide later on. So I've been doing the icing, and then Tess prepares the Twizzlers and puts it on. So next we're going to work on the roof. So here is one of the pieces of the roof. We're gonna do all of them with the pretzel border, and then these little kind of looks like cobblestone, but it looks kind of earthy and Barney. Then Tess is doing the doors and the windows so that we can add that on to the wall pieces before we put it all together.
So we're just checking in. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? This is so fun.
You see, we always think it's gonna be fun, and it is fun. It just gets to a point where it's too much, because this year we wanted
Look at my
it to.
door that I made.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
We want it to be like not a whole day extravaganza.
That's not possible.
It's not possible. We said this year we're gonna make it smaller. Our barn is ginormous. This is what's happening right now. Just, put in some graham crackers on here for our cobblestone path. I put extra crumbs on, and then you have to shake them to get them to fill in all the spots, and then shake up to get the excess off,
It's a good tutorial.
There you go. So here is the front. It looks great. Good job, Tess. We finished all the other sides, all of our roof pieces. So next up is, we have to let it dry a little bit more. So we're gonna make the fence.
Yes.
Okay. Foiled down and ready to go. Putting on the last windows right here.
What am I doing?
Perfect.
Don't look at my hands.
So we took a little break. We tried putting the first side up, which was the back. And the windows started to slide, so they were not ready yet. So what we're doing now is doing the animals. So I'm mostly making the colors, and Tess is decorating. Tess, what are you decorating right now?
Pig.
Piggy. So we're gonna keep doing that. I also made a black and got black hands. And I made this ugly, like, mucus color. That's gonna be for the chickens. So we needed some support for the windows. We added these little things on there, and then that on there for the front, because we don't want our windows to be sliding off, because then the animals won't be able to see out the windows.
The window's closed.
But they can open it.
No, how does you open it? The solid cookie.
So we have the back and the two side walls up. It's very precarious. We're holding it, using a mug for support, holding our breath. So far, so good. I hurt my poodle. So it does not want to stay. We have many supports in here. A bottle of corn syrup, 4 mugs. We're hoping that holding it like this for long enough will keep it in place so it can dry a little bit more. But yeah, I can't look at you. I have to focus. Okay, thanks. So I made some grass, green grass that's coconut. Tess is finalizing our animals. Our structure has only one support now, and it seems to be standing a little bit stronger. Tess, what do you think? Is it gonna stay?
Yeah.
It looks cool from the front.
For sure, for sure.
I really want to add on the roof, but I think it's a little premature for that.
Premature.
Okay, last part of the roof is going on.
Oh, that doesn't fit.
What do you mean? Because the pretzels? It just has to rest.
Yeah, but look over here.
That's okay.
Okay.
There's a gap in the middle. Because maybe they need some fresh air in their barn. It's gonna smell.
Some decoration there.
Yeah.
What was that thing called? A weather vane?
Oh, what?
A weather vane.
Yeah.
You know what that is.
Whoa. There's also a big gap right here.
Cool.
But that's okay.
It's fine.
Ah, it looks so cool. Okay, so now we're gonna work on filling in the gaps and adding on the rest of the decorations. Grass. And here's the final product. It's probably gonna fall, but it looks really cute right now. On the sides, we have a chicken on the top. We have to put our animals in, but it's literally caving in. It's falling as we speak. The sides are disconnecting.
Oh man.
But it's really cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the whole thing.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
All right, this is our finished product.
Do you see that?
So cute. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. We made our gingerbread house. It's standing, at least for now. I think it's a huge accomplishment. Good work, Tess. I think it's very cute. This is what I thought it was gonna look like. Is this how you imagined it would go?
Yeah.
Well, I thought it was fun. If you want to see any other gingerbread videos, you can check those out. We have a log cabin, we made a house of cards, we made a modern style house too. So check those out on my channel. Make sure to also subscribe and let me know what other kind of videos you want to see. Thanks. Bye.